Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use ChatGPT beginner guide step by step clearly. First, start by navigating to the ChatGPT website. You will find a user-friendly interface designed for easy interaction. Once the page has loaded, locate the chat box where you can type your messages. Begin by entering a simple greeting, such as hello. You can also ask a specific question or request information about a topic. For example, type, "What is artificial intelligence?" Press the enter key to submit your message. Wait a moment for ChatGPT to process your input and generate a response. Read the response carefully, as it will provide you with the information you requested. If you need further clarification, feel free to ask follow-up questions. For instance, you might say, "Can you explain that in simpler terms?" Remember to keep your questions clear and concise for the best results. Explore different topics by asking about various subjects. You can request summaries, explanations, or even ideas for projects. If you want to continue a conversation, refer back to previous messages. This helps ChatGPT maintain context and provide relevant information. You can also experiment with different prompts to see how ChatGPT responds. If you receive an unexpected answer, don't hesitate to rephrase your question. Additionally, you can give ChatGPT specific instructions, such as, "List 5 benefits of meditation." As you interact, notice how ChatGPT's responses may adapt to your style. Feel free to ask for creative content, like stories or poems. To ensure accuracy, try to ask for sources or further details if needed. If at any point you find the responses unclear, provide feedback by rephrasing your query. Explore the various capabilities of ChatGPT as you get more comfortable. You might use it for learning, brainstorming, or simple entertainment. Remember, the more you practice, the better you will understand how to use it effectively. Take your time and enjoy the process of discovering everything ChatGPT can offer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.